This coronavirus pandemic has hit the reset button on a lot of things. For starters, we've begun appreciating old values and simpler things in life. But I want to focus on one issue tonight, and that is coexistence. Since humans began retreating from public spaces in fear of the coronavirus, nature has begun reclaiming its space. Dolphins have returned to Italy's coast thanks to the missing cruise ships. Look at these images. There are swans in Italy's canals which are otherwise populated with gondolas and tourists. The birds have returned. In Singapore, otters are roaming freely thanks to the empty public spaces. A bunch of Egyptian geese were spotted crossing the tarmac of the Tel Aviv airport in Israel. They could walk freely, as you can see, without fear of human intervention, courtesy the grounded flights and the travel restrictions. Chicago's Shed Aquarium is closed to visitors, but it made an exception for Edward and Annie. The rockhopper penguins had a blast visiting their friends. For a change, there were no humans to disturb the pair. Look at them.